Okay, good day everybody. You're welcome to another training on Galileo. The last time we talked about how to encode and decode city name and code. So today is another new class we're going to be dealing with now. Okay, you're welcome once again to Galileo TRAVELPORT training. Alright, without wasting time, okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to start from decode. Let us do first of decode city or airport code. We've done that last class. So how to decode city / airport code, which we said is dot city decode. This we've done that last time. Okay, so I will just a refresher. So that's how it looked like. So we are going to do how to display record for a city. To display a record for a city, maybe you want to know information of a city or airport. You want to know their information there before you use the airport. So it's actually simple. Dot Charlie record where you want to know information about. Okay, so as you can see, this is an information about Amsterdam Airport. You can see it's in Netherlands. As you can see, these are the information. This is it. You can see about their call center location. You can see the taxi. You want to use taxi 20 minutes. These are this is the amount you're going to pay. Bus. This is the route. This, as you can see, car connection airport, hotel suite. So these are information where you can actually move down. So you can see these are more information about the airport. This is check-in time. You can see check-in. These are the major airline they have there. You can still move down. You can see it's very interesting using TRAVELPORT Galileo. So these are the informations. These facilities. You can see. You can move down too. You can see. You can keep moving down and go through what move down. So this one. Keep moving down. While moving down, you should go through them. So now that's not finished. This is an example of how to display an information about an airport. I think it worked with the city too. Dot Charlie. Let's do city London. Let's see. Okay, this is just telling us about the city, but you can as well display the airport. You can use it to know information about an airport in a specific country. There is in London Heathrow now, as you can see. This is a great building. London Heathrow. This is a telephone location 15 miles like 24 kilo, as you can see, of London. Journey time 45 minutes to the city. So this transportation, all about the transportation. You see bus, the mount, hotel, car. You see nearby location. This is it, and you move down to see more information. This is the railway station. This is by rail time. You can see underground transport. Very important. It's very nice using the TRAVELPORT transport between terminals. See, you can move down. You can see, very interesting using Galileo. Move down. Galileo is actually easy to use. Check-in time. You can see. These are most of the airline you can find in the airport. Move down. That's terminal 2. This is terminal 3. Airline you find in terminal 3. Terminal 4. Airline you find, as you can see, these facilities. What the facilities you can get in the airport. Move down. You see. You move down. You keep moving down and go through it and study it. Move down. Move down. That's a lot of information in the airport. Move down. So this is the end. So this airport has a lot of information which you have to know. You must know. You must know about where you are traveling to, so you can tell your client. Understand? That is how to display city. How to display city or airport record of a particular country or a city you want to find out. So next, let's go to the next class, which is encoding airline. How to encode and decode airline. How to encode and decode airline. So it's very simple. So what you need to do is dot airline encode. Dot airline encode. Which airline you want to encode. So let's do this Airbow T. Which of the airline is okay? This airline is okay. This is the airline 2-letter code. This is the airline 3 numbers, 3 first ticketing numbers, and this is the airline name. This one, this 2, 3, and this 657 is the number you find when you issue this airline, this Air Baltic ticket. You find it here for your other numbers. So another example, dot airline encode. Dot airline encode. Air France. As you can see, this is just encoded in France. This is airline code, and this is the airline 3-letter code. This is airline 3 numbers, ticketing number, and this is the airline name. You understand it? So let's do another example again. Dot encode Turkish airline. This is information. Turkish airline. Tango Kilo is the Turkish airline code, and this is the Turkish 3 letters code, and this is the 3 numbers, first ticketing number. This is the airline name. So now let's go and how to decode. How to decode. This is everything we just done. How to encode. All these are encoding. Airline name. So now how to decode. Dot airline decode EA. This British Airways information. Dot airline decode TK, Turkish airline information. Dot airline decode P4. Airpiece. Dot airline decode Lufthansa. see dot airline decode United Airline. Another one dot airline decode this key have Nigeria Airline dot airline decode QR. Let's go Qatar dot airline decode Qatar. So as you can see, this is how to decode airline code. How to decode airline code. So let's do how to let's do one more airline dot airline decode which airline Ethiopia, as you can see. So all these are how to decode airline code. You see, all these are the ticketing first three numbers. Or with this number you can know the airline which you are using to travel, and this is the airline code, first two airline code, and this airline names. Do you understand? So I think let's stop here so that you can learn this more. So let's stop the class and continue next class. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe this video and comment. Tell me what you want to learn. Tell me what you learned. Tell me what you have learned more and how it has helped you. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for next video so you can get a notification. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you next class.